Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anurag, and this is a very special vlog because I'm going to meet my sister today, and I'm traveling to Bangalore from Mumbai. So I was free this week, so I was like, "Chalo, yaar, didi ko milke aa jate hain." And so yeah, I'm very excited for this journey. Actually, it is my first time traveling this far. मैं ट्रेन से जाने वाला मेरे को ट्रेन से ऑलरेडी ये हो जाता है लाइक आई डोंट लाइक ट्रेन बट flights were really expensive, so I was like, oh, no problem, let's go by train then.
फिर वही बात आ जाएगी जो गरीब हो ना आदमी.
Alright, so I'll take you through the journey, how and which train I'm going to board. Right now I'm just uh, ready. I've packed my bags and now I'm about to leave. My train is at 9 o'clock and it's 8:40 now. So I'll just leave. I'll take you through the entire journey. Alright then, I'll see you. So I've not taken a lot of stuff, just this one handbag and this backpack and nothing else along with me. बहुत ज़्यादा सामान है, इतना है कि my mom is like ये भी लेके जाओ, वो भी लेके जाओ, take this, take that. The only thing that was left is that mama had to just pack the entire house and put it in that bag and I'll take it. So anyway, come along with me. I'll show you the train. I'll show you the routes. It is my first time also, so yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'm really hopeful that it is good. The journey is nice. So yeah.
चल.
So I'm all set. I hope train miss na ho yaar. As you can see, looking at my face, I've arrived at the station. This is not my train, but this is my coach. Bag is here. I hope it's not really crowded. Anyway, let's see. बहुत problem हो गया. That is my train. So we now left station. I don't remember the name. I think it was Kurluvadi, something like that, as far as I remember. And most of the journey, I'm seeing outside of the window. There's nothing as such to look outside and be like, wow, what a scenery. So I'll just show you. Basically just concrete stuff. अंदर एसी में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है, तो आई कांट स्लीप, so I'm just sitting, nothing else. So yeah, let's see what to do now. So I think it's 8 o'clock now and I am over my seat. There are kids over here which I'm not really enjoying. So sorry, I don't think you guys can see me, but so this is the station, but nothing can be seen, it's just this one train. 12 hour more to go and I'm really bored at the station, in the train. I don't know what to do. There's no one I can talk to. Kuch log mile, they were really good, they were really nice, but yeah, I'll just sleep and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. I've reached Bangalore. As you can see, station is not quite developed, but anyway, now I'll just book an Uber, and I'm super excited to see my sister. Just let's see how it goes now. The journey was quite good. It was peaceful. It was nice. बहुत ठंड थी surprisingly. But anyway, the atmosphere over here also it's good. But maybe it's सुबह का time, तो अभी let's see how it goes. But overall it was 7 on 10. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can listen to what I'm saying, but I booked a Rapido and I'm now heading home. The road is quite good. I bought this Ferrari helmet. So the Uber ride was really good. I've reached, and this is the apartment. I have to check the address that my brother-in-law has sent me. Now I'll just quickly go up. Hey everybody, turns out दीदी को पहले से पता था मैं आने वाला हूँ, but anyway, she's working outside and I'm over here. The view from her house is nice. You can see. Yeah, so surprise मुझे ही मिल गया. This station I booked the wrong Rapido, but इतना बड़ा पेड़ है भाई, and yeah, दूर दूर तक